Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a video comparison about Epidemic Sound versus Artlist. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Now, these two right here are two heavyweights of the stock music subscription world. While both solve the exact same problem, giving you legal, copyright-cleared music for videos, they are built for entirely different types of creators. Okay? Now, go ahead and choose Epidemic Sound right here if you are primarily a YouTuber, streamer, podcaster, or social media content creator. Its platform features AI search tools and the automated YouTube content ID system that is built explicitly to save digital creators' time. Now choose Artlist if you are a filmmaker, wedding videographer, commercial editor, or full-stack creator, as Artlist right here leans heavily into cinematic music quality, client-friendly licensing, and comprehensive asset bundles. But if you want those, you can just go ahead and opt into Epidemic Sound Pro plan, okay, or the custom plan, okay, if you want to use the Artlist features, just like for wedding videographers, commercial editors. If you are a broadcaster for TV, you can use that, okay? So let's straight up talk about the features and platform extras. For Epidemic Sound, it got a secret weapon that is called stems. So let's go ahead and go to Epidemic right here, click on download. And as you can see, you can download the full mix, but if you want to, you could just download the melody or the instruments alone, or the bass, or the drums alone. All right, Epidemic right here allows you to download the stems of almost every track. This means you can mute the vocals, turn off the drums, or download just the bass line of a song. Artlist right here got a secret weapon as well. You got ecosystem bundles under their Artlist Max subscription. Artlist bundles its music and sound effects with massive libraries of high-quality stock footage, up to 8K. Okay? You also have video templates, LUT or LUTs, and AI tools like text-to-speech voice generation and AI video drafting, which is cool. And it aims to replace 3 or 4 separate subscriptions for an editor. Okay? So you could go ahead and go with Epidemic Sound right here if you run 1 or 2 personal social media channels or want the flexibility of paying month to month rather than committing to a massive yearly bill, and heavily rely on pulling track stems apart to customize the music behind your voiceover. Now go with Artlist right here if you're a freelancer or agency managing multiple clients, you want a single subscription that handles music, video templates, and stock footage, and you prefer a download once, use anywhere, forever licensing, okay? Without worrying about linking social accounts. So there you have it. That's Epidemic Sound versus Artlist. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.